Hello students, welcome to 9th Standard Mathematics Digital Class. I am Mrs. Srikumari Sasikumar and I will be teaching you Mathematics Part 2. We are going to study Chapter 1 Basic Concepts in Geometry. Geometry. Geometry is originated from the Greek words geo means earth and metria means measuring. So, it can be guessed that the subject must have evolved from the need of measuring the earth, that is, land. Many mathematicians like Aryabhat, Bhaskaracharya have given valuable contribution to the subject of geometry. Let us study. In this chapter, we are going to study about point, line and plane, coordinates of a point and distance, conditional statements and proof. Basic concepts in geometry. Point, line and plane are some basic concepts in geometry. You have already studied about these basic concepts in your previous classes. Lines and plane are sets of points. Line means the straight line. Coordinates of points and distance. Observe the number line given. Here 0 is marked as the origin. To the right of 0, positive numbers are marked as 1, 2, 3, etc. To the left of 0, negative numbers -1, -2, -3, etc. are marked. Here, the point D on the number line denotes the number 1. So, it is said that 1 is the coordinate of point D. Similarly, the point B denotes the number -3 on the number line. Hence, the coordinate of point B is -3. Similarly, you can say the coordinates of points A -5, the coordinate of point E 3. So, the point E on the number line denotes the number 3. So, we can say 3 is the coordinate of point E. The points B denote the number -3 on the number line. Hence, the coordinate of point B is -3. The point E is 2 units away from point D. So, you can count the units. The point E is 2 units away from point D. It means the distance between points D and E is 2. Thus, we can find the distance between 2 points on a number line by counting number of units. The distance between points A and B on the above number line is 2. That is by counting the number of units. What is the coordinate of points A? -5. Coordinate of points D is 1. Distance between 2 points. See the number line given. The distance between 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. That is, we are finding distance between two points with the help of coordinates of points. Example, the coordinate of points E and D are 3 and 1 respectively. As you know, 3 is greater than 1. Therefore, the distance between points E and D is equal to 3 minus 1, that is larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate is equal to 2. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. The distance between points E and D is denoted by d of ED. That is, here d of ED is equal to 2. Next is between us. See here, you can see 3 number lines and some points are marked on each number line. First one, 3 points P, Q, R. These 3 points are distinct, they are distinct points and they are collinear points also. Collinear points means they lie on the same straight line. So if there are 3 points, 3 distinct collinear points, there are 3 possibilities. First one, point Q is between P and R. So here 3 collinear points P, Q and R, and Q lies between P and R. That means we can say Q is between P and R. If you find the distances, that is distance between points P and Q, distance between points Q and R, distance between points P and R, then you can observe distance of PQ plus distance of QR is equal to distance of PR. Then we can say point Q is between P and R. Similarly, in the second figure, D of PR plus D of RQ is equal to D of PQ. So we say point R is between points P and Q. Third number line, point P is between R and Q. That means D of RP plus D of PQ is equal to D of RQ. The betweenness is shown as P dash Q dash R. Thank you.